lesson on simple machines. This week we've discussed different types of simple machines and we've discussed the definition of simple machines. Now remember, a simple machine helps us do something better and faster, okay? Now, when we talk about the simple machines, machines help us do works in several ways according to our textbook, okay? Number one, it helps us by transferring force from one place to another. It helps us by increasing the amount of force applied. And it also helps us by changing the direction of a force. For instance, when you pull down a rope to raise a flag to a flagpole. Now, we have 4 different types of simple machines here. And then here next to it, we have the description of each. So for the first one, we have a lever. A lever is a long, hard tool used to lift up an object. Inclined plane is a ramp with one end higher than the other end. A pulley is a rope or chain with a wheel. And a wedge has a slanted side and a sharp edge. Now, remember when we discuss simple machines can be anywhere. They can be in your home, they can be at school, they can be in the grocery store, they could be at the movie theater, the mall. Simple machines are everywhere because remember, simple machines help us do something better and faster. So for today's assignment, what I want you all to do, I want you all to take out your science journal and I want you to turn to the next clean page that you have, write today's date on the page, and at the top you're going to label this assignment simple machines. After you put your title for simple machines, you're going to do 3-column notes. And you're going to set it up just as you see it here on my board. Now, for your 3-column notes, for the first column, you'll have the name, the next one, description, and then last but not least, example. So for the assignment, what I want you to do is for each simple machine that you see listed here, I want you to give me the example of each simple machine. I want 2 examples. Now, please keep in mind when you are trying to think about your examples and what examples you could use for each simple machine, keep in mind, where do I use this machine? How does it make work easier? Where does it appear as part of a more complicated device? And what makes it a system? I want you to think about that, okay? And for extra credit, I want you to give me two different simple machines that you don't see listed here, okay? And let's keep in mind, always also keep your name, put your name on the top of the paper. And like I said, 2 examples. So 1 example here, 1 example here. You can either draw your picture or you can write, okay? And once you are done, go ahead and turn that in and I will take a look at it. After you are finished with the assignment, you'll complete the extra credit assignment, which is to give me 2 different simple machines that are not listed here. After you are done with that, you'll turn it in and then you'll go ahead and take your book out and we'll do some silent reading.